All right, guys, another reason to bring a Walmart sack with you is to pick up all your shells after you're dove hunting. You know, you kind of make a mess, so it's just kind of nice to be curious and pick up all your shells after you're done. If you miss a couple, you miss a couple, but I always try to bring a Walmart sack and pick up all my shells and trash and water bottles and stuff like that. So this kind of helps everyone out, helps the environment out, helps everybody out. So the farmer too. So it's not like you're being mean to him and saying I don't care about your land or property or anything like that. Very, very thankful and lucky that I get to plant 2 acres of sunflowers in this spot for the past 4 years. So been very, very lucky. So I try to keep things nice and clean and tidy for him as much as I can. So him and his wife are awesome. But yep, that's what I just like to do. Just a nice little tip for today is keep a Walmart sack with you in your shooting bag that you bring dove hunting. So pretty cool, and you can pick up all your shotgun shells. Yep, shot quite a few shells today, as you can kind of hear. So I had a pretty good setup. Wasn't too bad. Had my back to the sun right here, just sitting in these sunflowers right here, probably about 30 yards away from the decoys, probably 40 or 30, something like that. That's plenty far away. So but yep, let's go get the truck, get it over here and get everything loaded up. Got 2 more shells in my pocket here. So yeah, it was a heck of a hunt tonight. It was freaking awesome. I wish I had 2 more guys with me. I thought about asking a couple buddies, but I was like, I got things to do. So got things done at the house and decided to come out here. It was awesome. Best adrenaline rush you'll ever get is dove hunting. It's amazing, awesome, very, very cool, very fun. So hopefully the rest of y'all get to plant 2 acres of sunflowers and have a good time. So all right, here we are back in the truck.